Historical records indicate that tea was introduced to Ceylon in the early 19th century by the British, who saw immense potential in the island's fertile land for cultivating this crop. The first tea plants were supplied by the Peyrardenia Botanical Gardens to the Scotsman, James Taylor. He was just 17 years old when he came to the shores of Ceylon. Taylor then began experimenting with tea cultivation and manufacture at Lolakondra Estate. His pioneering efforts and the collapse of the coffee industry in the country soon paved the way for the emergence of a thriving tea business that would shape the island's economy and cultural landscape. His passion and perseverance laid the foundation for what would become a symbol of Sri Lanka's identity, Ceylon tea. Fittingly, just a short distance from the Lolakondra Estate, in the verdant hills of the Kandy district, a captivating story of tea's origin and evolution comes to life. This strategic location, surrounded by lush tea fields, provides visitors with a unique opportunity to experience the very birthplace of Ceylon tea and delve into its fascinating history. The Ceylon Tea Museum is a testament to the pioneering spirit of James Taylor and stands as a living tribute to the nation's rich tea heritage. This video takes you on a journey through time, from the inception of tea cultivation at the Lolakondra Estate to the present-day charm of the Ceylon Tea Museum, where history, culture, and the aroma of tea leaves blend harmoniously. The Tea Museum at Hantana is based within an actual tea factory and unfolds its captivating narrative through thoughtfully designed sections that take visitors on a journey through time. The ground floor houses large machinery items which were used in the manufacture of tea in the early 20th century. From the careful plucking of tender tea leaves to the intricate steps of withering, rolling, fermenting, drying, and sorting, the museum brings to life the age-old art of tea production. Machinery which was used over a century ago in the art of black tea manufacture can be viewed, and one would marvel that some of the techniques and machines have remained unchanged over the years. The first floor is dedicated to housing valuable manuscripts, books, periodicals, newspapers, documents, and digital media collected from a rich history of over 156 years of tea manufacture and cultivation. The old photographs available offer a treasure trove of information, creating a nostalgic and timeless journey back in time to the period when the British colonial rule held sway in the plantations. In this floor at the museum is housed a treasure trove of historical artifacts, crockery, and tools that provide a glimpse into the early days of tea cultivation. There is also a room which houses some personal effects and artifacts which belong to James Taylor. Here one can view the few photographs which are available to embellish his achievements. Finally, the first floor has an area devoted to equipment and testing instruments which were used by the Tea Research Institute during those early pioneering times. The third floor has a section which recreates the original system where green leaf was withered and dried. These multi-tiered tats, which use the natural flow of air, are a process which has been superseded by large withering troughs and electric-powered fans. This section also has a collection of valuable photographs which transport the visitor from the early tea planting days of the British to more contemporary times. The Hantana Tea Museum offers visitors a couple of unique features that set it apart from other attractions. These are found in the upper floors. One of the most cherished features of the museum is its dedicated tea tasting area. Here, visitors are invited to savor a diverse selection of Ceylon's finest teas, each crafted with precision and care. Accompanied by experienced tea tasters, guests can learn about the nuances of tea flavors and aromas, gaining a deeper appreciation for numerous varieties of made tea. The entire top floor is a tea cafe, offering sweeping views of the Kandy town, the Hunasgiria and Knuckles ranges, along with the Martalay Hills. The Tea Museum offers every visitor a free cup of black tea to help unwind and complete their visit, while savoring a freshly brewed cuppa. If you are the adventurous type, a unique tea thali, consisting of 7 varieties of tea, can be ordered. This enables one to experience a range of different teas, served both hot and cold. Of course, no visit would be complete without a purchase of fresh tea, right from the verdant tea gardens of the Kandy region. The helpful staff will guide your purchase decision with some pointers. Adjacent to the museum lies the sprawling tea plantations that blanket the hills of Hantana. There are tours which allow visitors to witness firsthand the labor and love invested in every cup of Ceylon tea, making the experience even more immersive and memorable. The Ceylon Tea Museum stands as a testament to the indelible mark left by pioneers like James Taylor on Sri Lanka's tea industry. From its historical treasures and exhibits to its unique tea tasting area, the museum encapsulates the essence of Ceylon tea's journey from its humble beginnings to its global renown. A visit to this enchanting destination is not just a lesson in history, but a celebration of a beverage. The beverage that continues to bring joy and warmth to millions worldwide, the revered cup of Ceylon tea.